Thanks to everyone who have subscribed. If you have not, please do. And thanks for coming out here. I really appreciate you. Fresh trouble for APC as ADP asks court to disqualify Iyamu. What? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, whatever time we're reaching you today. Thank you very much, everyone, for supporting us. We appreciate you. Don't forget to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe if this is your first time. Well, yesterday, APC had their flag off in Edo State, University of Benin precisely, and it was a great turnout for Iyamu. It was a wonderful one because some governors of APC were there, although the president, vice president, or senate president were not present, and the former national APC chairman were not there, but other persons were there, and they had a good turnout. There were no issues like they had in the People Democratic Party, where some people went ahead and were causing trouble. But right now, what we are hearing is that there is fresh trouble for APC as ADP is insisting that APC be disqualified because they have their own reasons for saying that. But guys, we're going to get into the news in a minute and get all the details. Fresh trouble for APC as ADP asks court to disqualify Iyamu. The Action Democratic Party ADP has insisted and instituted a lawsuit seeking to disqualify the All Progressive Congress APC and its candidate Osage Iyamu from the Edo Global National election. The lawsuit was filed at the Federal High Court in Abuja. ADP is the complainant, why the Independent National Electoral Commission INEC Iyamu and his runmate Abdul Ghani and the APC are the defendants. The party alleged that the deputy governorship candidate presented manipulated documents to the INEC. ADP cited the case of the disqualification of Bayelsa State Governor-elected David Leonard after the Supreme Court ruled that his deputy presented forged certificates. National Publicity Secretary Adelaje Adeoye told newsmen on Sunday, "This is a serious matter, and ADP will ensure justice is served appropriately. We will not leave any stone unturned because we are watching APC. It doesn't matter who they have on their side. The president can be from their party, vice president and senate president, but justice is justice and the rule of law, constitution still obeys in Nigeria." The candidate of the APC deputy governor has presented a forged certificate. That certificate is not appropriate, and we have checked and has found out that he has presented to INEC a forged certificate. And as such, we are here to say what happened in Bayelsa needs to happen in Edo State. They are to be disqualified and not to have a participation in the election in September the 19th for this forged certificate. We are calling on INEC to go on and investigate this result. For good governance and good leadership, those conducting elections must present authentic certificates as required by INEC. Anything contrary must be challenged at court. ADP said the deputy governorship candidate of the APC, who goes by the name Abdul Ghani, presented to the INEC voters card, which bears another name. He also presented a WAEC GCE certificate bearing another name to the INEC Commission. The deputy governorship candidate presented to INEC APC membership not bearing the same name with all his results. The party prayed the court to interpret the certificate that declared by the deputy governor candidate of the APC and has declared that he has presented a false certificate to INEC. This is observed and is against the rule of law. This is a violation of Section 182, subsection 1 of the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, 1999 Constitution as amended. The complainant seeks an order comparing INEC to remove Iyamu Abdul as said as governorship candidate is a pair. from its list of candidates and parties eligible to contest in the September 19 global national election. Well, fresh crisis is engulfing APC right now, as you heard ADP, the Action Congress for Democracy, saying that it doesn't matter who is on APC side, it doesn't matter if the president is from that party, it doesn't matter. You heard them. They said, well, they are here to stand up and make sure that the rule of law is upholded. They said they are going to make sure that everyone that needs to be elected have a credible certificate, and they went on and on to explain why Iyamu should not participate in this election, that himself and his deputy Abdul has presented a false certificate to INEC. They are insisting that they, I mean, in a democratic setting, the best thing to do is that you challenge these things in the court of law, which they have done. They have taken it to court to say APC has no candidate in the September 19 election. Some cases are coming up against APC, and a lot of issues are coming up right now, and APC just needs to clarify and clear their name in court. They said it doesn't matter who is on their side, it doesn't matter if it is President Muhammadu Buhari, and they are particularly citing the instance that happened in Edo State and Bayelsa State, when the deputy governor presented a false certificate. According to INEC, it was announced that APC candidate won the election, but what happened, and at the end of the day, the Supreme Court said, because of this false certificate, which is a violation of law and order, it says, yeah, they are disqualified, and the runner up, which is the PDP candidate, became the governor of Edo State. Well, he's saying this is what is happening, and they have challenged them to courts. They've challenged APC to courts to say, come and rectify this, or this candidate should be out of the race. Well, my people, this is what is happening now as we speak. The certificate of Ghani is being questioned, and they're asking APC to come and defend this in court, or else, they will make sure that it is all done decently and in order. Well, Nigerians, this is what is happening. Edo State, this is what is happening. Iyamu has just had his flag off in Edo State, and is preparing for elections. But right now, they are comparing INEC to say, INEC, we are challenging you to court to come and say, this person you brought, this person that you gave a pass, does not qualify because of this and this and this reasons. Well, my people, this is what is happening right now. The APC is being challenged to courts to come and say, clarify this issue, or no elections, no candidate in Edo State. Well, my people, this is what is happening. What do you think? Don't forget to like us, share, subscribe, click on the notification button so you can get all our latest news. God bless you. Have a fantastic day. Bye for now.